Alright, hey guys, this is Kevin with Action Machine here today, and we're going to do a quick tutorial on how to measure your one-piece drive shaft with a slip yoke coming out of the transmission. So when you go under the truck, you're going to see that they either have a seal or a rubber boot, and what you're going to do is pull a tape measure to the face of that rubber boot or seal, and the point you're going to measure to on the back side of your differential is to the center of the U-joint. So sometimes it's easiest to just measure to the face of your end yoke, or if you have your drive shaft in your vehicle, you could just put it on the center of the cap of the U-joint. So this is a 2008 Duramax, so if you have a similar truck, it'll look very similar when you go underneath.